Hello everyone, how to find the value of x in this interesting problem 2 power x plus x is equal to 15. Let's come to the solution. Consider that if the value of x is 1, by putting 1 in this equation we get 2 power 1 plus 1 whether it is equal or not equal to 15. So we get 2 plus 1 which is 3. 3 is not equal to 15. Now if we suppose that x is equal to 2, so this will become 2 squared plus 2 whether it is equal or not equal to 15. 2 squared gives us 4 and plus 2 6. 6 is not equal to 15. Now putting the value of x which is 3, so this will become 2 cube plus 3 whether it is equal or not equal to 15. 2 cube which is 8 plus 3 gives us 11 is not equal to 15. And if we put the value of x is 4, so 2 power 4 plus 4 whether it is equal or not equal to 15. 2 power 4 which is 16 plus 4 gives us 20. 20 is not equal to 15. As when we put the value of x is 1, 2 and 3, we get 3, 6 and 11 respectively. These are the numbers which are less than 15. And when we put the value of x is 4, by putting this x4 we get 20. 20 is greater than 15. So the value of x is in between 3 and 4. As we have 2 power x plus x is equal to 15. By moving this plus x from left hand side to right hand side, this will become negative x. And now dividing both sides by 2 power x. So here 2 power x from denominator and 2 power x from numerator cancel out each other. This will be 1 is equal to 15 minus x divided by 2 power x. As we can write this 1 by a as a power minus 1. Because at the denominator the power of a is 1, when we move this from denominator to numerator this power will be negative. This will become 1 is equal to 15 minus x, and moving this 2 power x from denominator to numerator this will become 2 power minus x. So now we have 1 is equal to 15 minus x into 2 power minus x. We can also write this as 15 minus x into 2 power minus x is equal to 1. Now 15 minus x into 2 power minus x, multiplying both sides by 2 power 15. This is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 power 15. Now when the bases are same, let 2 power a multiply by 2 power b. The bases are same and multiplying each other, then their powers will be added. So this will become a plus b. Now we can write this as 15 minus x into 2 power minus x plus 15. We can write this as 15 minus x. Minus x plus 15 is equal to 15 minus x. This is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 power 15, which is 2 power 15. Now if we have m, we can write this m as e power natural log of m, or 2 is equal to e power natural log of 2. So by replacing 2, we can write this 2 as e power natural log of 2 and this whole power 15 minus x. This all thing is equal to 2 power 15. Using an identity that if we have a power m whole power n, then this is equal to a power m multiplied by n. So this will become 15 minus x into e power 15 minus x multiplied by natural log of 2 using this identity, and this is equal to 2 power 15. Now multiplying both sides by natural log of 2. So this will become 15 minus x into natural log of 2 e power 15 minus x into natural log of 2. This is equal to 2 power 15, and by multiplying both sides by natural log of 2, this will become 2 power 15 into natural log of 2. Now by using Lambert W function, so this will become Lambert W function is if we have W a e power a, this is equal to a. So by using Lambert function here, this will become W, and this also will become W into 2 power 15 multiplied by natural log of 2. So let us consider that this is a. 15 minus 6 into natural log of 2. This is also 15 minus 6 into natural log of 2. So this is also a. So W into a e power a, which is equal to a. So this will become 15 minus 6 into natural log of 2. This is equal to W into 2 power 15 multiplied by natural log of 2. Now by using the Lambert W function, which is W into a e power a is equal to a. By using this function we get this expression. Now dividing both sides by natural log of 2. So at the left hand side, this natural log of 2 and this natural log of 2 cancel each other. We will left with 15 minus 6 is equal to W into 2 power 15 into natural log of 2 divided by natural log of 2. Now moving this x from left hand side to right hand side, and this whole term moving from right hand side to left hand side, this will become 15 minus W into 2 power 15 natural log of 2 divided by natural log of 2. This is equal to, by moving negative x from left hand side to right hand side, this will become positive. So now we have x is equal to 15 minus W into 2 power 15 natural log of 2 divided by natural log of 2. This is nearly equal to, if we use the calculator and then by multiplying and dividing this, we get 3.5209. So this is the value of x, which is in between 3 and 4. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.